guys, welcome back to Paint Picture Projects. My name is Belle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this personalized composition notebook for just $2 or $1 if you already have some of the supplies at the house. But before we get into it, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you click that bell and smash that like button so you don't miss any future high-end creations on a shoestring budget. Let's get started. Before we get started, you're going to need a composition notebook, some decorative paper or cardstock, some paint or markers, some stencils, either Mod Podge or tacky glue. To start, we're going to open up our tacky glue, and I prefer using a paintbrush, and I'm just going to dip it in the tacky glue and then just rub it all over the front, except this fine black part of it. Make sure you smooth the tacky glue on the book. If not, you'll be able to see the lumps in it once you put the paper on top. Then I'm going to take my decorative paper and rub it on there, smoothing it all out. Once I do that, then I'm going to trim it flush against the composition notebook. I'm also going to put some glue on the ends just to make sure that this is secure onto the book. You can leave it as is, but I'm going to take some paint. You can either use markers if you want to. So I'm just going to tape down my stencils in place, and then I'm just going to start painting. And I'm going to do like class of 2024 because I'm making this for one of my friends, and that's when she graduates. And you can put your name, you can put like a basketball, a football. You can make this either girls or boys. After you're done painting, I'm gonna let it dry, and then we are done. Here's how it turned out. And that's it, but I did want to show you guys some different variations that I made, give you some ideas. So I made this one, which has one of my friends' names on it, and then like, she's a superstar. Like, she just has that like actress personality, I don't know. So I put like the stickers, hello lovely on it, and like follow your heart. So this is one idea that you can do with the name. And then of course you guys saw this class of 24. So this one's made with paper, this decorative paper, which you can find at Michael's, Walmart, Joann's. I think it's like 50 cents a sheet. I'm not positive about that. And this is medium cardstock. This next one that I made says class of 2024. Is made out of decorative paper too. Yeah, that's just some different ideas for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video by leaving me a big thumbs up, and make sure that you're subscribed and that you click that bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I show you how to make a personalized notebook. In case you don't have any composition notebooks, I'm going to show you how to make a personalized notebook for just $1. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!